We're back with the MG. We are now on episode 3, as I get a 3 out. Yeah. We have the Richard Fox behind me, and today, unfortunately for the comment section, we're going to be respraying this car with rattle cans. Now, we want to do a good job, but we're going to do a professional job, but we are on a budget. So this is the only way we're going to get the desired effect we actually want. We have the vinyl wrap, we have all of the necessary bits and bobs. We'll show you the colour we're going with, and we're going to, at the end of this video, if you do wait to the end of the video, you will see exactly what inspired us to, 1, buy this car, and 2, spray it the colour we're spraying it and get the vinyl that we're putting on it. So very exciting times. We're going to start by prepping the car.
We're going to strip out everything as well, get the headlights out, get these out, get it all like down to bare.
We are going to do a proper job. Yeah, we're not messing about. We are going to do a proper job. Don't get me wrong, on this channel, we have sprayed cars in car parks before, and that's not what's happening here, although we are going to spray it in a car park. It's fine. We're going to do a professional job. Rich is here, and he's...
sunny day.
It was a lovely sunny day. At the end of the day, you're here, so it's then professional. If I was doing it on my own, it's just not professional whatsoever. So...
I'm going to change my top and getting cold.
Yeah, it's quite chilly, actually. He's got nipples out. Nipples out. So... we're going to start by taking as much roughness, or roughing the car up as much as we can, and we'll show you guys the colour as well. So this is obviously a budget build, so we went with some budget paint supplies. We don't have time to fully respray this in a, you know, sealed unit and all this sort of business. So we are going to be using some Helford's paint. I'm going to be painting this car right now, tonight, as we try and make this thing look really cool for the set challenges that we have. Again, this whole process is sponsored by Greenlight, so please go and check them out. Links are in the description. Make sure you go and support them, because they have supported us by making this even possible. So the desired colour that we've gone for is Ford Graphite Grey. Now, I will show you guys at the end of this video exactly our inspiration for the MGF. You guys would have already seen it if you've watched the Greenlight video, but this is going to go down both sides of the car. So we're going to do both sides all the way over the rear and down the rear bumper. Everything will be this graphite grey, and then, as you guys will see at the end of the video, you'll know full well what colour is going over the top of this thing. Anyway, enough blabbing on. Let's get on with this thing. Let's start scotching it down, ready for paint.
Right, we've come to a problem here. There's no plug to pull out the...
Basically, we're going to have to take the door card off to take that off, so...
we're just going to...
If you could just do the honours there, mate.
Cut it, shall we?
Just cut that off and make sure it's... yeah, there we go. Lovely. This is the part where everyone's going to go... we're using yellow scotches, green scotch. It's
budget.
Yeah. So here we are physically scotching a car down with scotch pads, because hashtag budgets and all that.
Well, I own a pub, so I've got an endless supply.
Yeah, they're like endless supply. Now, we would have taken the headlights out, but you have to take front bumper off, I think. So we ain't got time for that, have we? We'll just do what we need to do on the car.
3 hours to do.
No one needs that. Right, graphite grey. Here we go, mate. You ready? The taping process is pretty much done, as much as we want to tape up. What we're doing is doing a stripe through the middle anyway, so we're only going to go to, what, a quarter onto the bonnet, maybe a little bit more, just to... Yeah, more than anything, and work, because, you know, this is a quick turnaround. Ford Graphite Grey. I'm going to shake it up, get some warmth in there, and turn this monstrosity. I'm not going to call it monstrosity, because it is sort of cool. Exactly, from green into Ford Graphite Grey.
Oh, yours is a different technique than mine.
Yeah, well, you know.
Yours is the quick squirt.
Yeah, like small coverage at the minute, you know. You'll be surprised how many cars I've sprayed in a car park, mate. It's actually slightly embarrassing. Yeah.
Well, this is actually my first.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's why I've messed up already.
Again, just a little bit of coverage at the moment. Not that I'm telling people what to do because I ain't got a clue what I'm doing myself. But, you know, just a little bit of coverage would do.
Not bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not bad.
Nice bit of grey, but sort of green still because we can see under it.
Better than mine.
Mate, it's all about spraying multiple cars in car parks. I've done YouTube long enough now to know how to spray a car in a car park. It's just one of those professions. Apparently I know what to do now. Coverage.
Damn.
Coat one down. I will leave that to dry for me.
Yes.
Right, so both sides are done. I've left a little bit in the can, serve you just in case, because you don't hurt yourself, please. We don't want to have none just in case.
Yeah.
Now we're not going to spray these bits because we are vinyl wrapping these bits, and the number plate can go back on, so that's fine. All in all, mate, for your first time spraying a car in a car park, I'm a pretty much connoisseur doing this because I've done it like 3 or 4 times. It's professional, isn't it? Shout out Halfords. Not that they've like sponsored or anything, I'm just saying. It ain't even lacquered. We're gonna leave it to dry and lacquer it, but actually not that. But like from the camera angle right now, that is actually pretty good. Let's get a proper sweep in it. Oh, look at that. Once it's dry, like mainly this bit, 'cause I've just sprayed it, it's gonna look sick. So, this isn't the reveal. I'm not saying it's a reveal. We've got to a certain point where the low light, we've got fading light. You can't really tell in the camera, but it's getting a bit dark now, isn't it? Yeah. But we've pretty much finished the respray. Now, please don't take us seriously because this is a drying process. And it's going to look better in the morning when it's dry. There's loads of patchiness, and it's sprayed in a car park with, like, we don't really care, but we do it at the same time. It's just a good laugh. So this is what we have got at the moment. A couple of runs here and there, you know how it is. This bit I'm actually quite impressed with. We've still got a patch here that's drying, not too bad.
If you come at this angle and point that way, look at the shine on it, really.
Yeah, look, yeah, look at this. Look at the shine.
There you go.
Look at that, see?
Wow.
I just professional paint jobs, you know what I'm saying? Even here, like, we'll just do that. But everything, this whole car is going to get many wraps on it next. Yeah, that's the next bit.
We're going to try and hide it all.
Yeah, we're going to try and hide as much of her face says it all. Good laugh, though. I think
what? I thought I was going to be really good at this.
Yeah, so I do every time. Yeah, every time. I
have big respect for the sprayers and, you know, that do this for a living, because that is a ball ache.
Yes, it is so hard to respray a car. This isn't finished. There's loads of patches because it's dry and blah blah blah. You do need to go and get a friend and go and do this. So I think everybody should go and buy a car, have a slight budget, and go and have a laugh.
How long? It took us 2 hours, didn't it?
2 hours. Yeah. So we're going to dry now. We're going to dry this off, or it's going to be left to dry tonight, and then we'll come back and do some vinyl wrapping. Yeah. So that's going to conclude this episode. Thank you so much for watching. From me and Rich. Yeah. See you later on. And thanks to Greenlight as well. Yeah. Shout out Greenlight for letting us destroy this MG.